Hello guys and welcome to my channel. I am Neil Rehani and let's get started with this video. So what are we going to do in this video is very simple. Now it's CSS3 not HTML5 now. This is the second part. So guys, if you have not watched and done whatever we did in the second part, which is this, in the first part, which is this, then you gotta check it out and create this so that you can continue. Link is in the description guys. Please watch that up. So over here guys, right now what you want to do is go to Notepad++. Obviously first let me tell you what is our desired website, what we want to create. So this is it guys. I got a new idea when I was like just trying out more things in HTML5 and CSS3. I just got one thing, which is how can we add more pages in our website, like about and our how could you contact us, and then about our videos and all. So guys, we can create that. We're going to be creating a website like that. So yep, for now we're going to be doing it like that, but after some time we're going to be changing its content, I think, and then creating our multiple page website. But for now let's focus on our CSS. So guys, inside the head tag, don't get confused between head and header because I do get confused sometimes. You wanna open and close this tag called style, which is actually your CSS, and add some additional enters in it. So guys, first of all we want to create our header something like this. So if you want to create our header something like that, then you want to write something like head over here, because we are just changing and designing the whole header, just not the h1 tag or h2 tag. We could, but this is the beginner. For the sake of the tutorial we are not going to. Okay, so now inside this header tag, first thing that you want to do is change its background. So background is equals to, but now you don't want to add is equals to, you want to add a colon. That is equals to in CSS, you can say like that. So now you want to add RGB. RGB is like the color picker in CSS. So background, the RGB could be 23, 105 and 134. Let's see. This is going to be it. It's looking really cool in my side. You can change it, but I'm going to give it like that because it's looking amazing. Now we have to change the color of the text. So color, I want it white. So now write 255, 255, 255, which is white. If you want black, then it has to be 0, 0, 0. But for now we need it white. So when you'll go over here, as you can see, it's white. Wait a second. The problem is, like, one thing there is over here is that you want to always end your sentences or whatever the line of code with a semicolon. So in JavaScript there is something like that, but now there is no need, it's not necessary. But in CSS it's really necessary or your code wouldn't work. See, after that guys, you wanna add this text align, and then that should be center. The text should be center. Now as you can see, it's something like that. So this is the thing that we want. Now guys, this is going to be the end of header. Now we're going to be coding section. So let's get started. So now over here, let's add section like this, and then just curly braces, and then inside that obviously you want to change the background because white is not very professional or good. So background RGB. Okay, and let's see, the background should be, let's try that out, pink. I hate pink. No, Now see, blue. Okay, this is looking nice. Maybe we can make it bigger. Wait a second. Yes, okay, sorry. Background RGB 237. This is going to be it. Yeah, this is nice. And over here now you can add its color to be white again. We want it bright, so it should be white. And end the sentences with semicolon, guys. Never ever forget that. Cool. Now over here you wanna make it a little bit bigger from this and this. So let's try that again. So the width, I have some confusion in width or height, so we're gonna first try width. 100 px. It's going to be this big. Okay, no, it has to be height, not width. Okay, it has to be height. Okay, height. Bigger. We need it joint to the header. Okay, this is really bad. It's really big. 100 pixels. 100 pixels. Okay. Okay, let's leave it to this. 100 pixels. Let's leave it to 100 pixels. Okay, this is looking nice. Let's leave it to 100 pixels. This is looking better. And now you want it text aligned. The text alignment should be off center. Save it. Go over here. Wait a second, we did not end the sentence. We have to do that. And boom, this is looking nice. Now one thing that I wanted to do, guys, is like over here the whole article is of 1. We don't want it that way. We want the article, the first my hobbies of another color, the about me of another color, and stay in touch with me another color. So how could we, like, yep, let's leave it. How could we specify what we want? So that's really simple, but we don't want to specify it. Okay, this is the desired website, so we want it like that. Also, we don't want to specify them. So you can go ahead and do it if you know, but we are not going to specify them. We want them like that. So let's leave it that way. Without any further ado, let's just code this article to be of one color. So article, and then curly braces, enter. Let's add the background to be RGB, open parentheses, close parentheses, and the RGB could be, let's try this. Okay, yep, I don't think so there's a problem in this, but this is really dull. We need it a little less dull. So let's make the content of blue a little bigger or a little larger. Now also it's dull. We need it more. 60 maybe. Let's try that. It would be, yup, this is also dull. The content of red a little more. Now also dull. That means we need green a little lesser maybe. Now also, it's really difficult to pick out colors using the RGB color picker. Real difficult. Let's keep it this violet. Okay, fine. Now the text color. First of all, let's end the sentence. And then the color should be white again. RGB 255, 255, comma 255. Okay. And then let's save it over here. And it's all white. Now let's add text alignment. Text align. First, let's end the sentence. And then text align center. Let's try that. Again, open the file explorer. Sorry. Okay, one thing that I wanted to do is that it's really unreadable with white, so we want to make it black. Yup, now let's try that out. It should be black. Okay, this is looking better. Black is looking way better. Okay, now one thing that I wanted to do over here, guys, is really simple. Is this that over here, as you can see, it's just meeting over here, as you can see, this thing is meeting the edge, and we don't want that. It's looking really bad with this edge, so you want to add one thing called padding, one property called padding, and then you want to make it 100 pixels. So it would be 100 pixels from the bottom, from the up, from the left, and from the right. And when you do it, wait a second, we did not end this. We want to end it so that we can see the results. So this is going to be this. Now we don't want it this big, so we want to make it smaller, like 10 pixels. And yep, now this is good. So we can add the padding for this section also, so that it meets our header. So if you put the padding for yep, bigger maybe. Sometimes it doesn't get right. Yup, it's not meeting, so maybe we can add the padding of this header too. So let's add padding of header. Padding 10 pixels. Let's try that. Yes, this is looking nice, isn't it? Now this is better than this desired website. It is way better than this. Now the end, the last is our this footer. So let's just do something in this footer. Wait a second, where is my recording, by the way? Okay, I'm really sorry, I couldn't see my recording. That I just thought that it's not recording. I'm really sorry. So here, let's go to this footer. Now I wanna code the whole footer. So the whole footer, and then curly braces, and let's put the background to be grayish. I think I need it. I want it to be grayish. So let's try it gray. Yes, it's looking nice. You can't see the text obviously because the text color is black and it's really grayish, so it would not be visible. It's actually black, not grayish, but it's actually nice. So now you want to add RGB, open close parentheses, 255, 255, 255. Save it. Wait a second, we did not end the sentence. Okay, nice. Now we want to add the padding again, so that it meets padding. It equals to 10 pixels, not 10, 20, 10 pixels. Wait a second, now also we did not end the sentence. This sometimes irritates me a lot, but now it's looking nice. Just one thing, you wanna do the text alignment too. So text align center. Okay, it should be center. So let's be at center, and this is going to be it. See, it's looking nice. Now one thing that you could do is you could change this frame's color. I'm going to show you how, but I don't want to change it. It's looking really nice, and when we make it smaller, it's even looking better. In smaller screens, it's looking even better. See, it's looking even better like over there. See. So yep, let's tell you how can you change this, and then let's end this video. So after this, you wanna add body, and then if you're familiar with this, then you can change the background color, like background. And if I want the background to be RGB, see, now it's brownish. So brownish, looking nice. So yep, this is going to be it. This is not actually the desired website, not whatever the desired website was, but it's actually better than it. Better. Just this purplish color is not looking nice, so I'm actually gonna change it to something better. Not this. Okay, now this is looking better. Okay, this is looking better. Okay guys, so this is going to be it. Now I'm going to try and fit 3 words in it, 3 different H2 tags: about me, my blog, contact me, and blah blah. So yep, I'll see you guys when I'll find how to interconnect some pages. So it would be something like that. I just created it. I'm going to show you guys. So this is our first page. When you'll click over here, the second page, then the first page, then the second page, then the second page, first, second, first, second, first, second, blah 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 blah. So okay, so we're going to be making it like that. I'm going to find out how can we fit, and should we fit, where should we fit. We should fit over here or here. If here, then I'm going to find out how, and if here, then it would be footer tag obviously, but I'll find and tell you guys. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Wait a second, first let's recapitulate what would be in the description for you all. So the link to the bonus subsidies of JavaScript, where we're going to recreate all our code.org projects, the link of the playlist of this, the link to my website, the link to this playlist, and this into HTML5 and CSS3 playlist, and the link to the JavaScript playlist. So in this, the playlist of the into HTML5 and CSS3, you are going to find the first part. So please see that, so that you can create this amazing one. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye and sayonara.